If this wallet is not your wallet, stick around because we are going to fix your wallet right now. I went from $200 to more than $200,000 just by launching meme coins, guys, and I will guide you step by step through this process. And you can just steal this method, guys. I mean, I don't care, I already made my money. So let's launch another meme coin live for you guys, so you will see with your own eyes how to launch a meme coin, how to make big profit from it, and let's do this the lazy way without doing any marketing. So this is the meme coin that we are going to launch right now, and we will name it Elon Bird. But before I explain you the whole method, you have to understand why most people fail launching meme coins. Most people are launching their meme coin on Pump.fun, and to be honest, if you are launching on Pump.fun, you are just doing dumb shit. If we go to Photon over here and we have a look at all the coins that are being launched on Pump.fun at this moment, we just see that there are loads and loads of meme coins being launched every second. I mean, here we are even seeing the same meme coin being launched multiple times. You see this? I mean, it does not make sense. It's so oversaturated, guys. Now we are going to filter on Radium, and as you can see, there is just way less competition, guys. And in the meanwhile, there are even more people buying those coins. I mean, look at the numbers, guys. The numbers don't lie. Look at the market caps. Those are crazy numbers. Some even reach millions. Now, why is it that people prefer to buy coins that are being launched on Radium? On Pump.fun, just every single person can just launch a meme coin in a few clicks, right? And most investors just simply do not take those projects seriously. I mean, who would like to buy a coin that has been launched by a random guy, right? But on Radium, people actually need to know how to code to launch their meme coin, and so the investors will take those projects way more serious. And of course, guys, if there is a solid team or a developer behind the project, you will just simply invest your money way more quickly, right? Now, here comes the sauce. You and I, we can now also launch our meme coins on Radium. This is Launch Tool, and they allow you to launch your meme coin on Radium without the need of any coding. And that's it, guys, because now buyers will think that they are early buyers from a coin with a solid developer behind it. While in the meanwhile, it's just you and me. So let me show you that people will actually buy our coin without any marketing. So first you will need an ID for your meme coin. And just like in my previous video, I will stick with the meme coins about animals and politicians, as they are just doing amazing at the moment. So we just head over to Canva and we create a design from 128 by 128 pixels. We crop our image a bit and you're done. Just save the image and done. Alright, so we are going to launch the meme coin, and you just go over to launchtool.io, and whenever you connect your wallet for the first time, you will see a few standard safety notifications over here, but just confirm them and connect your wallet, your Phantom wallet, and the name for the coin will be Elon Bird. The symbol will be the same. And just put a description that describes your coin in a kind of funny way. Just Elon chewing on a bird like usual. And now we're going to upload the logo, 128 by 128 pixels, guys, don't forget it. Now here we see the token economics, and we are not going to change those values. I mean, a total supply of 1 billion is just fine. And over here we see the creator information, and just switch off these options, guys. Just save yourself 0.1 sol, because it does not care who created the coin, right? So over here we see the social media links, and I never attach any social media links. It's not necessary at all. Now here we see revoke authorities, and just do not touch these settings, guys. I mean, there would not be a single buyer who likes the fact that you are able to change the amount of tokens that is in circulation, for example. So just do not touch these settings, and if you keep them this way, you will just definitely have way more buyers. So now we are going to launch the token, and now your wallet will pop up. You just click on confirm over here. You click on proceed anyway, confirm again. Tick the box over here and click on confirm. And there we go, guys. Our token has been created successfully. Now you can copy your token address over here, and you just click on view on SolScan. And as you can see, our token is just live on the Solana network, guys. Now we are going to create a liquidity pool. Just click on here on launch tool, And now connect your wallet over here. We go to base token over here. Just click it and go back to launch tool. Make sure you copied your token over here. Now go back to Radium and we just paste our token over here. Just fill in the symbol, Elon Bird. The name was also Elon Bird. Click on add user token. As you can see, we have Elon Bird over here. Now we are going to decide the supply, and I would recommend to just make it 900 million, guys. That's a great supply, and you will just keep 10% of the tokens. The quote token, now we have to select Solana, right? Just click it, click on Solana, and you can just click on max and you can put everything into the pool, because you will not lose this money, guys. You are basically the first buyer, so you will not lose it. Just deduct like 0.2, as you will have to pay this for the creation fee. Put the fee tier on 2%, and there we go. Just click on initialize liquidity pool, click in your wallet on confirm, like this, and there we go, guys. Pool has been created successfully. Now we go to Photon, and as you can see, Elon Bird has been listed on Photon, and we are officially launched on Radium. So now we want to go to DEX Screener and we copy our token address over here. Just go to dexscreener.com and just click any random coin over here. Go to the URL bar and click it and just paste your token address over here after Solana /. Now here we can see Elon Bird, guys, and now we are going to make this chart pump. So now that we have been listed, we are just going to chill out and sit back, and we will just wait for the first buyer to come in. And boom, one big green candle, guys. First order just came in. First order is about, let me see, what was it again? Just a moment, let me zoom out the chart. And in the order book we can see the first order, $340, guys. That's great. That's an amazing first order. $340, 1.9 Solana, almost 2 Solana. That's a crazy order for the first buyer. So the liquidity is 1.2k at the moment, and let's just wait for more orders to come in. So we have some bots in the order book. They are selling very small amounts, but it's no problem at all. And boom, again, second order of $161 and 0.9 Solana, guys. That's great. Like, this is literally how easy it is to make money, right? I mean, we are not doing any marketing. We're just listing on Radium with way less competitors, and you can see the numbers speak for themselves, guys. And the third order just came in, which is $185 and just a little bit more than 1 Solana. So yeah, that's a great third order again. This is just the way it goes, guys. And at the moment the liquidity is at 1.9k. So yeah, we're doing great. So let's just switch to the 1 minute chart over here. And as you can see, one more order, $153 and almost 0.9 Solana. So this is going great, guys. I mean, look at the chart, look at the liquidity. Liquidity is still 1.9k, but this will update soon, I guess, right? We're having some small orders from some bots, but we have a very nice order book until now, right? We had 4 big serious buyers. As you can see now, the liquidity updated to 2.2k. As you can see, there just came in another order, and let's see, we have a crazy pump to the upside and 2.2k liquidity. As you can see, the order was $188. So yeah, we have a very nice result, guys. 2.6k liquidity, market cap 6k. I mean, we have done great, and the good part of this method is you can do this over and over again, guys. I mean, there's no marketing needed, as you can see. That's the crazy part. And look at those orders. I mean, all those buyers are happy that they see a coin on Radium that they can buy as an early buyer. So now we are going over to Radium because we want to remove the liquidity. So you just go to Radium portfolio, you click on standard over here, and as you can see, you see a minus over here, And whenever you click on the minus, you can remove the liquidity. Just slide the slider all the way up to 100%. Click on remove liquidity. And there we go, guys. Wallet will pop up. Click on confirm. And boom. Remove liquidity confirmed. And as you guys know, this is my favorite moment. Open up the wallet and boom. $1,100, guys. $1,100. Why we started with like 2.5 or 2.6 Solana again. I mean, we are almost tripling our money, guys, in like what, 20 minutes, something like that. You just launch your meme coin, boom. After that, you repeat the process. You launch your meme coin, repeat the process, and you will make big money in no time. So take advantage of the method while it lasts, guys.